Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the #1 photography gift you can give yourself this holiday season and into the new year. So I started working on a video, a what's in my camera bag winter 2023 video, when I realized that I really haven't added anything to my camera bag in over 2 years. I have the Canon R5, I have a couple of Canon RF lenses. I'm waiting for either Canon or a third party to come up with some new lenses to replace my EF lenses. So in the meantime, I'm just using a couple of RF lenses that I have and my old EF lenses adapted to the R5, and I'm really happy with it. It's been working out great, so I'm really not in a rush to get any new gear. So really, what's in my bag video now would basically be the same as what was in my bag the last 2 times I did it. So I kind of abandoned that, and it got me thinking, what's something that is not necessarily gear related that you can add to your bag to make your photography experience better, to make it more enjoyable, to really enhance your photography experience. And there's really one thing that you can commit, that you can give yourself, that is really going to bring your photography to the next level. Now, anytime anybody asks us, what should we be doing? If I'm just learning out, what should I be doing? The first thing we always say is always be shooting. Every single day, no matter what kind of camera you have. If you have a big expensive camera, if you have, a little digital point and shoot, even if you just have your phone, always be shooting every single day. Find something to photograph. Give yourself little assignments. Go through your house and, take pictures of anything that's square, anything that's circle. Go outside and find colors. Give yourself little assignments, little things to do. Something every day where you're playing around with your camera, where you're getting used to composing images, where you're getting used to how elements in a frame interact with each other at different focal lengths. Always be shooting is really the #1 tip. So along those lines, really the best thing that you can be giving yourself is time. Give yourself the time every single day, maybe more on the weekends, even if it's 5 minutes, even if you had a busy day, make sure you do something. Set an alarm on your phone. Make sure you spend a little bit of time every day doing something. Time is the #1 thing that you can give yourself. And it's not just shooting. Shooting is a huge part of it, but also learning. I mean, there's going to be trial and error. You're going to learn while you're shooting, but it's looking at other photographers. Go to Instagram. It's not copying other photographers. It's not really even being inspired by other photographers. It's looking at how photographs are made, looking at what other people are thinking, how other people frame things, and it'll give you ideas. It'll give you kind of a framework of how photography is thought of and how shots are made. So other photographers on Instagram, art, I was going to say get an art book. That's a little bit old. Go to websites that have artists, not even just photographers, painting. Painting is basically a 2-dimensional medium, just like photography is. And the things that make a painting beautiful are the same things that make a photograph beautiful. It's basically all the same elements. It's framing, it's composition, colors. Learn your colors, get a color wheel, or just know what colors interact with each other better. Spend the time to just play around. Even like I said, even if it's just on your phone, play around with different types of photos. Learn what you like and what you don't like. Look online for what other photographers are doing. Try to find something that interests you, whether it's, old barns or, sailboats or waterfalls. Whatever it is that really interests you, find photographs like that, find paintings like that, and even videos. The moving images, basically are composed the same way. Watch movies. Look for cinematographers. Watch a movie, and if you like a movie and you like the way it's shot, you really like that, look up the cinematographer and see what other movies that cinematographer has shot, and look for those movies also. You'll find elements of photography in so many different things if you just take the time, if you give yourself the time to do it. And significant others, brothers, sisters, friends, parents, loved ones of photographers, you guys can show this to them also. Give them the time. That's definitely something that you want to allow them. Give them the time to, explore and work a scene and really learn. So that's my little bit of advice. I really didn't intend to make this video like this, but Just the thought popped in my head while I was trying to make this other gear-related video. So, yeah, so give yourself time and always be shooting. And happy holidays, and we'll see you in the new year.